I'm bougie bitch now. Alrighty besties, it is actually the next day from that whole shopping experience. My phone died at like 3:30, so I did not film that much. I was also way too scared to film in any of the luxury stores because I was like intimidated. So everything I did get was me being very sneaky, and yeah, I had a lot of anxiety, but it was definitely an experience. But I'll talk about the experience later because I know you just want to see what I bought. So we're gonna start off with Kukai, which this is a brand I just discovered thanks to Alyssa, and they were having a sale, thank Jesus, because their clothes are expensive. And I just bought this white maxi dress. It's got like this at the top, and it's just a long white dress. This dress is normally $130, but it was 50% off, so that is why I got it. So it's $65. It's so pretty. I love it. But yeah. Also, if you guys did not see, I tried on the Skims dress. I tried it on, and oh my god, I love it. I do love it. So my first YouTube paycheck comes in, there will be a video of me going and buying that goddamn Skims dress. There will be. I promise you. I promise you. Next is Lululemon. What else is in this Lily bag? my water from Louis Vuitton is in here. This is my Louis Vuitton water that we got given while we were in the shop. Apparently this was like actually kind of expensive though. Like that's bougie water. Bougie. Anyways, back to Lululemon. I bought everything full price at Lulu. We're not telling my mom about that. She will kill me. So will my boyfriend. So Riley, if you're watching this, go away. Go away. Go away unless you're gonna pay for this, okay? Go away. Thank you. So I got this top. I love this top. So good. And Amanda, she is my friend from America. She works at Lululemon, so she was telling us all about it. This top was $90. Yes, it's fucking expensive. But I bought it anyways. I love it. It's so nice. So nice. And I got a size 8 because Lulu sizing is American. Yeah. It's very nice. And then I also got the TikTok famous BBL jacket. This was expensive. Which is so funny because I said I could not justify spending $140 on the Skims dress. But I bought the BBL jacket full price at, what was it, $130? Yeah, $130 on a jacket though. I'll drop that, but not $140 on the Skims dress. I gotta get my priorities in line. But I got the BBL jacket. It's actually not called that. They just call that, it's what's called on TikTok. It's actually the Define jacket. And apparently in America this color is fully sold out. Here the black one is fully sold out, but in America this one, as soon as they get it in stock, is completely gone. So yeah, that's what I got from Lulu. Also just FYI, I am not going back to the city until I save up all my money. Because this next purchase is just something else. Do you see that? That says Louis Vuitton, bitches. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Wow. Just the fact I'm holding this is crazy. It's not as crazy as Amanda though. Amanda, she went crazy. Let me just, before I show you what I got, let me just put in the TikTok of everything that Amanda bought and her little haul and everything Alyssa bought, because once again we filmed a TikTok for Alyssa of a haul, so let me just put that in here so you can see what they got before I show you this.
All time. I mean, so first from the bag, I got this top, and that's all I got. Oh, and I got this fancy water from Lululemon. Okay. Then I got the Speedy bag, but it's flat right now. But it's this bag in the monogram, and then it comes with a strap. Okay, and then I got the timeout sneaker and to match the bag. So yeah.
Well, it's almost up close with your face.
And then from Tiffany, I got the double heart pendant necklace. It's like the silver and pink one. There it is, yeah. And then I work at Lululemon, but we don't have these ones back home and they're out of stock. So I got the oversized funnel neck scuba with the gold zipper, which we've never even had in our. And then the Heather Define jacket and the white Heather we never have in stock in any store in the US, so gotta use it. And this was a Boxing Day sale. It's the All Yours cropped hoodie, and it went completely out of stock from Boxing Day, and this was a return, and it was in a 2, and I fit it, so I got it. Thanks for watching.
Alright, now it's officially time. So first of all, we got 2 perfume testers for free with our thing, but I gave one to Alyssa because she didn't get anything from Louis Vuitton, and I thought maybe she should have a little keepsake. So I have my little tester. This one is, I have no idea how to pronounce that. I don't know if y'all can see that. But no, I got my little Louis Vuitton tester of the perfume. Now this one is not the nice one. I gave the nice one to Alyssa and I didn't even realize it. But it's okay. It's fine. I'm a bougie bitch now. I don't even have words. Let's ready. I retied this bow because I have already opened them. This is, I forgot how much packaging this has. Hold on, I'm getting there. Still can't see what I got. This case though, this case is so nice. Anyways, here we are. I'm about to reveal to you what I dropped almost $1,000 on. It's for the name. It's for the brand. It's for the name of the brand. You know, I mean, they are really nice and super good quality, but it's for the it's for Louis Vuitton. Just it's for that. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm not ready. I bought sunglasses. Yes, from front on, they do not look like anything special, except they have the little LV on the little gold bits there. And then on the side, I don't even know if you can see that, but it has the monogram all on the side, the leather monogram, all down the side. Like, oh my god. Ah! These are my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I'm a bougie bitch now. Yeah, these are my Louis. These are honestly, I mean, you would expect it for how much you pay, but these are honestly the nicest pair of sunnies I've ever owned. So nice. I'm never gonna need another pair of sunnies again. Like, these are the sunnies. Like, oh my god. Anyways, please subscribe. We need to get monetized as soon as possible. Like, comment, engage with this video, just so we can get the money, so we can get more views. Like, honestly, universe, this video will blow up. I'm telling you right now, universe, the video will blow up. It has to blow up. If it doesn't blow up, I'm screwed. So, I need this video to blow up to support my purchase. Please and thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, besties, thank you for watching me spend a ridiculous amount of money in this video. It won't happen again for a very, very fucking long time. Anyways, bye besties. I love you. My bank account is literally crying right now, so please send help. Please send help.